Today we are at Westbourne. We are coming here to net fishing, to do net fishing. Hi guys, today we are at Westbourne, Manitoba, and we are here to do net fishing. Last year, you know what happened? We came all the way here and we couldn't do net fishing because of COVID. This park or this area was shut down. People were not allowed to come into this area. Only a few cars that are coming here to do net fishing, which is good. And the fish are called suckers. They come up every springtime around April, around the middle of April, all the way to the end of April. That's when you can catch those fishes. And the one thing that I don't like about these fishes, they have so much bone. Comparing to in the fall time, we're going to catch another fish, which I'm going to show you. Hopefully the park is going to be open for the fall time, but right now is the time to net fish the suckers. And so soon I'm going to record up close to show you guys there's so many fishes and people are catching fishes left and right. Look at Nicholas. My son, he caught, how many fish is there? Nicholas, how many? Two? Oh, is that ours? Oh, wow.
Those are both of ours.
Oh, you just mixed the two?
Yeah, it's fine.
Matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Mine's gonna do it. I'm not doing it.
So mine knows.
Oh my God, these fishes are big.
So she knows that.
These fishes are big. So look, we have two containers now, I think in here. And there's some in here. And there's here.
Okay, careful. You don't have to shoot clothes.
It looks pretty fun. Maybe I should go in there. Oh no, I don't have license.
Oh, you're not fishing. You can go in the water as long as you're not holding no net.
I want to go in. Money.
Look at your kettle.
The fish that my niece catch right there, it's too small, so we have to let that go.
It's a different fish. It's not a sucker.
Oh, it's not sucker? Is that pickerel?
Oh, yeah.
What is that? Why can't you get it?
Oh, so a different kind of fish. So right now we're only allowed to do net fishing, catching the sucker, but we're not allowed to catch any other fish.
Good job.
Oh!
Here. Hold on a second.
The small net. Whoa! More fishes.
We have no net.
Are these about like 25 fishes now? Wang, how many are we allowed to catch?
Unlimited.
Oh, really? We can catch as many fishes as we want.
Just me and you fish. No, come on.
There's a whole bunch there. Oh, right there, right there, right there.
I can only do so many at a time there, Lee. 44.
Oh, that's 4 of them. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Whoa. Sorry.
Mommy, imagine if you catch a piranha.
Oh, piranha. Ooh.
They don't have piranhas here.
Okay. Huh?
Where's my shoes? The red ones.
Oh,
Can you go get this?
oh my goodness. What is that? as you can see, the water is not deep at all. So you can come in here and scoop the fish up. As long as you are fast and you see the fish in the water and you do the net fishing right away, you net them out and you got the fish. So as you can see, the water is not so deep, so you can just wear your hip waders and you come into the water and you just look for fishes, and as soon as you see them, you just kind of net fish them. Oh yay! Look how many fishes he got there. So my husband, as you can see, he caught, I don't know, 5-6 fishes.
Heavy. So, you're already off balance and I can step down.
It's really heavy. He barely can carry them. Drag in the water? Oh wow. How many is there? 6? 6 fishes. Careful. Oh my goodness.
Hey, Mommy, you making...
Don't touch it.
Oh. He's catching more fishes. So the water, that's not much water. Huh? Oh wow. A lot of fishes. Oh, what?
Oh my God.
So, look, he walked. Okay, so he's coming back with how many fish? I don't know.
So 5.
Oh, I loveមនុស្សចាប់ផ្ដើមមក Actually, people will start coming here.
We have about
I think the people are coming here like when it's dark.
That's the secret.
So they come?
They thought it was like you come at night, then it's like you go.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, a lot of fishes.
We're catching like one by one during the day.
So we have about what? We have about 50 fishes now?
About 50.
50 fishes? Chacha? Chacha?
Hey Nick, can we trade?
That way it's not backbreaking for you.
What's this went into it.
I went somewhere. Now that it's dark, there's more people coming here to do net fishing. So when we came here earlier, it was brighter and there was about 5 families, and now I think there's about 10 families.
Why is everyone wearing Puma today?
No idea.
I'm wearing Puma socks.
Caught it with your hand? Yeah, I caught 2 with my hand. How? I just grabbed it and then put it in the net. Yeah.
Wow. Thấy chúa mà. Hả?
They seem to be having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Did you have the sweat beads on you there, Lee, too?
Now we try to collect all these fishes and bring it to the car. What is that? 20 fishes? 25? 25 in that container? The container look like it's gonna break.
Yeah, it did. I guess it was just going in the car because it's freezing cold.
Freezing cold. Freezing cold.
Oh, I forgot the chips. Where about the chips?
Is there no more? Huh? Is there more?
I think we caught.
No, is there any more close to the
ones?
water?
Sorry?
Any more close to the water?
No, I think we put all of it already.
I think there's about 100 now, right?
Mommy, my hands are freezing from those gloves.
Guys, what? Put the gloves here. We got dry.
But those aren't mine. Those are It's because you drink too much water.
What are you doing?
I hit the fish.
You want the fish to hit you?
No,
I'll get a fish on smack you in the face. Oh, I can grab my shoes.
Don't cook it.
Follow me, come on. It's getting really dark.
I go.
Mommy, come on.
Let's go. Go, go, go.
I want to hold it.
No, no, no.